covalent bonding. In this case, next is about what their covalent bonding. Covalent bonding came about what their this covalent bonding is about what organic compound mostly means all of them are having what their covalent bond. This covalent bonding is found in organic molecule, and inorganic molecule contains ionic bonding there. Then the sixth part of that we have already discussed in the 10th class, isomerism. Isomerism is already discussed in the 10th class there. Same molecular formula, different structural formula. Structures may be different due to the different arrangement of the molecules, such that we are going to study detail in this chapter there. Then about what their melting and boiling point, how it can be differentiated in this case there with an organic compound there. Since they are covalent in nature, their melting and boiling points are low, but due to their heaviness, the large molecular structure or the large molecular mass, their melting and boiling point increases. So this we are going to study properly in this chapter there. Then about what their volatility there. Since their melting point and boiling point are low, they are volatile in nature also there. Next is about solubility. Solubility means what there, as all of you know, organic compounds are insoluble in polar solvents, but they are very much soluble in which one? They are non-polar solvents. ठीक है. But inorganic compound, they are soluble in the polar solvent and insoluble in non-polar solvents. This is the difference between the solubility between organic and inorganic compound there. The nature of chemical reaction. Then the next is what their combustibility. Combustibility. What does it tells us about their? Means they are highly combustible in nature there. As all of you know, petroleum products are all made up of from what their organic compounds, so they are highly combustible in nature. Then lastly, what is that another property there? Then nature of chemical reaction. Their nature of chemical reaction will be what there, since they are what we can say covalent compounds, so their nature of chemical reaction will be slow, but their nature will be means they are going to form which kind of bond? Their covalent bond, and they often require which one? Their a catalyst or something, a promoter like substance to go through this go through the reactions there. Now next we are studying about the why there are so many compounds made up of hydrocarbons only there. Why they are having so many compounds over there? It is one of some reasons are there. First of all, the first reason will be of catenation. Why they can have the tendency to form so many compounds over there? Catenation is the property of forming long chains without breaking there. As all of you know, carbon compounds, in the 10th class everybody has studied about this thing. I think those substance, especially the carbon, have the property of self-linking property there. Means they can be combined with carbon more effectively, and they can form a long chain without breaking there, without having any interference. Also they can form a long means about what we can say about 200-500 carbon chain can be formed there. So this is all about which one? Their catenation property there. Due to this reason, and this carbon bond energy will be much more there. They cannot be easily be broken down there. The energy is very high between carbon and carbon bond there. They cannot be broken very easily there. So due to this reason, they can have the longer carbon or shorter carbon. As how many carbon they can form? They can form so many compounds also there. Even though they can form this straight chain also, some can form branches also there, and some might form the what we can say the ring-like structures also there. So it depends upon them. So they can form different types of compound with the help of this catenation there. Then secondly is what there? Secondly is about capability of forming multiple bonds. This carbon in carbon, what we are talking about, multiple bonds. This carbon and carbon have the tendency to form multiple bonds among themselves. They can form either double bond also, or they can form either triple bond also, depending upon the nature. So due to this reason also, they have the so many compounds there. Even the same element can form different types of compound there. Even they can form carbon carbon single bond also, carbon carbon double bond also, carbon carbon triple bond also there. So due to this reason, they can, and this bonding also changes their chemical behavior also. So this is why they are having so many numbers there.